The present topic of lecture is short story. It is for BA second year, paper second, English literature. Short story is a work of prose fiction like that of a novel, but it differs from it in the dimension. In a short story, the action, thought, and interactions of its characters are organized into the pattern of a plot, which has a beginning, middle, and an end. The plot form may be comic, tragic, romantic, or even satire. The story is made available from one or many points of view. It can be written in the mode of fantasy, realism, or naturalism. Short story is preceded by fable, exemplum, folk tale, fabula. The story is presented from many points of view. A short story is also called tale or story of incidents. In such story, the focus of interest is on the course and outcome of the events. The story of character has its focus on the revelation of a state of mind and motivation or of moral qualities. Example of some of such stories are of Chekhov, where nothing more happens than an encounter and conversation between two people. Ernest Hemingway's classic story, A Clean, Well-Lighted Place, consists only of a curt conversation between two writers about an old man who each day gets drunk and stays on in the cafe until it closes, followed by a brief meditation on the part of one of the waiters. Some stories achieve a balance of interest between external action and character. Edgar Allan Poe, who sometimes is called the originator of short story as a specific genre, was at any rate its first critical theorist. He defined short story as a prose tale, a narrative that can be read at one sitting of from 1/2 hour to 2 hours, and that is limited to a certain unique or single effect, to which every detail is subordinate. He points to the economy of management which the tightness of form always imposes in some degree. So, a short story writer introduces limited characters so that he can analyze and develop his plot and character in that limited space. Story writer begins his story close to or on verge of climax and then minimizes both fore and rear settings and keeps complication down and then clears up denouement quickly. The central incident clearly reveals protagonists' life and character. In recent times, many short story writers now depart from this paradigm in various ways. Historically, it was narrated in both verse and prose. For example, fable, tale, exemplum, or fable. Thank you.